You ever print a big print job and all of a sudden you start getting white lines through those nice, pretty big color copies that you're making?
In this video, I'm going to show you how to clean the imaging unit lenses on a VersaLink C405. The video can also be used for VersaLink C400s, Phaser 6600s, and WorkCentre 6605s and 6655s. All right, first thing you're going to do is open that right-hand side cover. Inside is an orange knob that unlocks the waste toner container. You're going to give that a turn counterclockwise to the unlocked position, and then grab the waste toner container and pull it out of the machine. And once you're inside, down here in this corner is a gray wand, and it will have a white piece of felt looking cloth on it. You'll take that wand with the felt facing down and you'll put it in the hole right above the letter Y. Push it all the way to the back and then bring it back forward. Just with one little push, you can already see how much toner and dirt and debris that felt has picked up. So you'll do that about 3 times total on each color. When you're done, replace the wand into its home, and then push your waste toner container back onto the machine nice and flat. Make sure it's installed all the way. Turn your orange handle clockwise to the lock position and close your right cover. If you'd like to see more quick how-to videos on other Xerox products, subscribe to our channel.